Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Smiling Shark EDC. Now, I was contacted by this company. They have an Amazon store, and they had saw my Facebook group, Flashaholics Anonymous, and they wanted me to test and review their new product. Comes in this carrying case, which is kind of nice. Does have a little rope on there so you can carry it or attach it to your backpack or traveling gear. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in. And it does come with some literature here telling you about the flashlight. Now, this flashlight is running the XPE LED from Cree. Okay, so we'll go ahead, and it does come with a wall charger, and you can easily slide this down, slide the battery in there. It just does come with a battery, and it does come with a 16340 battery, which is also an RCR 123A. And we'll go ahead and take this out of the package here. And I'll show you the cell up close. Alright, and now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. Now the finish on here is feels more like a mag flashlight, so it's got a nice gloss finish on there. There's the logo. Now this does feel light without the battery, so I'll go ahead and show you. This is a smooth reflector, showing you that LED down in there from Cree. So it does have the keychain option, which is kind of nice. It was definitely for everyday carry. Got that power switch on the tail. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Now this is kind of thin, so there is a straight contact point down inside there. There is a spring on the tail switch there. Okay, so let's go ahead and add the battery, and let's see how this does. Alright, so let's go ahead and go through the UI. UI is really simple on this. Turning it on. There's a pretty tight spot on that. Spill, and this is kind of a cool white, so it's probably about 6500K, so it has a little bit of blue in there, and that's what the beam looks like. So it's pretty strong spot on that. You can see the hot spot there. Okay, then we'll go to the next level output. Strobe, got high, low, strobe, and you can half press this, or you can do full presses. That is bright. Okay, well, let's take this little guy out, see how he does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little keychain smiling shark flashlight. And it's only 180 lumens. Let's see how this does. And making that 30. Got a real good spot on that though. It is making it across the park. Wow. That is impressive. Usually making these 65 feet there. Now this has more of a cool white temperature, so it's got some more throw and lumen output, but 180 lumens, this is not doing too bad. Well, let's go ahead and see if we can make it across that park. Wow. We'll put it on the tree of life, and that's impressive. And it is faintly making the school there, as you can see. Wow. Quite surprised, actually. So we're going to go down to the next level, and this is on low, and it's still making the tree of life. And then still able to make that 35 feet there with these. And of course you've got 65 feet, it's still able to do that as well. Tree line, fence line. Alright. Well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This being only 180 lumens, it's definitely got that keychain. If you're looking for an easy light that's not too big to put on your keychain, this would not be too bad of a choice. It does come with a battery, it does come with a charger. If you use a better quality cell, I didn't use a better quality cell, I used the cell that it came with. I think that this should be suitable for just about anybody. These are running for under $10, so this is not too bad of maybe a Christmas item, a birthday gift. Someone that might need just a flashlight, doesn't need anything special, don't need anything expensive. This should do just fine. So I just want to thank Smiling Shark for sending me this to review. Now you can use the link down below in the description area should you be interested in this light. And I hope you enjoyed this simple video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of budget lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.